A company is considering an investment proposal to purchase a machine costing rupees 5 lakhs. The estimated cash flows are as follows. Year 1, 1,20,000, year 2, 1,40,000, year 3, 1,80,000, year 4, 2 lakhs, and year 5, 3 lakhs. Calculate payback period, average rate of return, net present value, internal rate of return, and profitability index. The company follows the 10% discount rate. In this problem, the machine cost is given 5 lakhs rupees, and each and every year cash flows. In these cash flows, those cash flows are coming under net cash flows. It is not required to calculate depreciation and tax. You directly take cash flows and calculate those techniques. We calculate payback period. Here cash flows and cumulative cash flows. Year 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First year cash flow 1,20,000. Second year cash flow 1,40,000. Third year 1,80,000. Fourth year 2 lakhs, and fifth year 3 lakhs. Now you calculate cumulative cash flows. First year you take as usual 1,20,000. Second year, first year cash flow plus second year cash flow, we get 2,60,000. 1,20,000 plus 1,40,000, 2,60,000. Third year cash flow 1,80,000. 1,80,000 plus 2,60,000, 4,40,000. 4,40,000 plus 2 lakhs, 6,40,000. 6,40,000 plus 3 lakhs, 9,40,000. 9,40,000. Investment is 5 lakhs. The 5 lakhs is situated between third and fourth year. But we want to exact payback period. How to calculate? Payback period equals to year before fully recovered plus uncovered amount by current year cash flow. Current year cash flow. In this problem, when we recovered fully fourth year, before third year, year before fully recovered, fourth year fully recovered, before third year. That's why we take third year. Uncovered amount for 4,40,000 we covered up to third year. What is the difference between 5 lakhs and 4,40,000? 60,000 rupees. That is the uncovered amount. 60,000 divided by current year cash flow. Current year means fourth year. Fourth year cash flow how much? 2 lakhs. If you simplify this one, we get 3.03 years. Payback period is 3.03 years. Now we calculate average rate of return. So this is the next technique in traditional methods. Average rate of return. Average rate of return. What is the formula? ARR equals to average annual profits by average investment into 100. This is the formula. How to calculate average annual profits? All cash flows divided by 5 years. So in this problem, they give 5-year cash flows. That's why we take 5 years cash flows divided by 5. First year cash flow 1,20,000. Second year cash flow 1,40,000. Third year cash flow 1,80,000. Fourth year cash flow 2 lakhs. And fifth year 3 lakhs by 5 years. By 5 years. Add one by one and divided by 5. If you add all cash flows, you got 9,40,000. 9,40,000 by 5. It will comes 1,88,000. It will comes 1,88,000. Now this information interpreted into formula. So we got average annual profits. Average annual profits how much? 1,88,000. How to calculate average investment? Investment by 2. Average investment equals to investment by 2. Investment in this problem how much? 5 lakhs by 2. We get 2,50,000. Coming to the formula. Average annual profits 1,88,000 divided by 2,50,000 into 100. Into 100. 1,88,000 by 2,50,000 into 100. It will comes 75.2%. This is the average rate of return. Now we calculate accounting rate of return. Accounting rate of return. Formula same, average annual profits by investment into 100. Already we calculate average annual profits. Average annual profits how much? 1,88,000 by investment. In this problem we take investment is 5 lakhs into 100. If you simplify 1,88,000 by 5 lakhs into 100, it will comes 37.6%. This is the accounting rate of return. Next one, net present value. That is the modern technique or discounted technique. How to calculate net present value? Cash flows, here cash flows, PV factor at 10%. In this problem they give a 10%, so we take 10%. And present value, cash inflows. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Cash flows 1,20,000, 1,40,000, 1,80,000, 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. This is the cash flows. PV factor at 10%. How to calculate 10%? Just you take calculator. In that calculator, 1 divided by 1 plus R. 1 plus R. In this problem, R is given 10%. If you convert it into points, it will comes, we get 0.10. 1 divided by 1.10. If you press in calculator 1 divided by 1.10, you got 0.909. Again, you press equals to. At that moment, you got 826. Third year, 0.751, 683. And fifth year, 0.621. Now, calculate present value cash inflows. You multiply 1,20,000 into 0.909, we will get 1,09,000. 1,09,080 rupees. Second year, 1,40,000 into 0.826, we will get 1,15,640. Third year, 1,80,000 into 0.751, we will get 1,35,180. Fourth year, 2 lakhs into 0.683, we will get 1,36,600. Fifth year, 3 lakhs into 0.621, we get 1,86,300. Add all cash flows, you got 6,82,800. This is the total present cash inflows. Now we calculate net present value. How to calculate net present value? Total present cash inflows minus investment or cash outflow. 6,82,800 minus investment 5 lakhs. 1,82,800. This is the NPV. When we accept the project, we reject the project, we have some rules. What are the rules? NPV greater than 0, accept the project. NPV less than 0, reject the project. NPV equals to 0, accept or reject. Based on rules, we accept the project because we got 1,82,800. When we accept or we reject, we have some rules. Based on the rules only, we can accept or we can reject. So this is the calculation of NPV or net present value. Next technique is internal rate of return. Internal rate of return is situated between one positive NPV and one negative NPV. Already we got positive NPV. Now we calculate negative NPV. How to calculate negative NPV? Just you increase that discount factor. Based on discount factor, you calculate positive negative NPV. Those NPV, negative NPV values interpreted in formula. To easy calculation in internal rate of return, we have some shortcut method. First you calculate fake payback period. Based on that, you find out the present value, cash flow, annuity factor. Those annuity factor where it is situated, you take that PV factor and calculate another NPV. Now we calculate fake payback period. How to calculate fair payback period? Investment by average annual cash flows. In this problem, investment is 5 lakhs. Average annual cash flows. Add one by one. First year 1 lakh 20,000. Second year 1 lakh 40,000, 1 lakh 80, 3 lakhs and 8 lakhs. Divided by 5, we get 1,88,800. We get 1,88,000. This information entered into formula. 5 lakhs divided by 1,88,000. We get 2.66. This is the present value cash inflow annuity factor. Just you check 2.66 where it is situated. Based on that, you take the PV factor and again calculate the net present value, negative NPV. So 2.66, just you check PV annuity factor table, that 2.66 is situated between 25 and 26. If you take 25%, we got positive NPV. But we want to get negative NPV. If you want to get a negative NPV, you take 26 PV factor. Based on that, you calculate again net present value. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First year cash flow 1,20,000. Second year 1,40,000, 1,80,000, 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. Now we take PV factor at 26%. The first year 26 PV factor 0.794. Second year 0.630. Third year 0.500. Fourth year PV factor 0.397. Fifth year cash flow 3 lakhs and PV factor 0.315. Now you multiply 1,20,000 into 0.794, we get 95,280. Second year 1,40,000 into 0.630, you get 88,200. Third year 1,80,000 into 0.00, we get 90,000. Fourth year 2 lakhs into 0.397, we get 79,400. And fifth year 3 lakhs into 0.315, we get 94,500. Add all cash flows. If we add all cash flows, we get 4,47,300. Investment is 5 lakhs. Now we get negative NPV. 5 lakhs, the total present cash inflows The total present cash inflows 4,47,300. Coming to the NPV. NPV equals to total present cash inflows 4,47,300 minus cash outflow 5 lakhs. Now we get 42,700 minus value. IRR situated between one positive NPV, one negative NPV. Already we get positive NPV and this is negative NPV. These information interpreted in formula. What is the formula? Just these values interpreted in formula. The formula is IRR equals to least discount factor percentage plus least discount factor total present value cash inflows minus investment or cash outflow divided by least discount factor total present value cash inflows minus highest discount factor total present value cash inflows into difference in rates. In this problem, least discount factor we take 10%. At that moment, the cash flows are 6,82,800 minus investment 5 lakhs by 6,82,800 minus highest discount factor cash inflows are 4,47,300 into difference in rates 10% and 26%, the difference is 16. Now simplify this formula. 10% is plus 6,82,800 minus 5 lakhs, we get 1,82,800 by 6,82,800 minus 4,47,300, we get 2,35,500. 2,35,500. Now simplify this formula. 1,82,800 divided by 2,35,500 into 16, we get 12.42. If you simplify this one, we get 12.42. 10% is plus 12.42, we get 22.42%. So in this problem, internal rate of return is 22.42. Next technique, probability index. Formula of probability index. Total present value cash inflows by investment. In this problem, total present cash inflows are 6,82,800 by investment 5 lakhs. If you simplify, we get 1.37. Coming to the rules. Probability index greater than 1, accept the project. Probability index less than 1, reject the project. Probability index equals to 1, we may accept or we may reject. In this problem, we get probability index 1.37. As per rules, we can accept the project.